This is Florence train station, the central station in Florence, and we have to go to, we're going to Milan.
Good. Good. Let's see, all the beats. All the beats. Okay. 1, 2. Hi. Ciao. We're going to Milano Centrale. Two persone, eh? No,
One way.
12:25, is it okay?
What time is it? Yes.
Normal personal business. The difference is
The Smart, the 65.
okay, it's no more place, no more
No
seats
place.
available.
What is it? Is available? Okay.
Please make us make others.
Oh. One ticket.
So we're here. We didn't have to validate the ticket. We asked. So it's okay. There also you can buy. You can buy there.
You just choose, from all these trains. You just choose put M, what you did.
Yeah, the destination. We kind of bought ticket a little bit expensive, but we have no choice. You have to book early if you want, because otherwise the ticket gonna become expensive. The longer you wait, the more expensive it gets. So we still have time. We have to wait. We wait outside because we have like 30 minutes before our departure. We're getting premium business. The ticket is premium business, and we paid.
Just 5.
Yeah, how much we paid? 139, 140 euros for 2 persons. It's business lunch, like 70.
It's the same price like we came from Norway to Milan by plane.
Yeah. Let's go down and see. I think you can also come from direct here, not there, if you take the other way around. Remember, if you take left. Because this is the, right? Direct. If you like to play piano, you can play piano here. Shopping gallery. Oh. I did not bring the water. I will bring the water. I did not bring my water. Done. Also ticket. You can also buy your ticket here. Passageway. Here, you find everything. You have cafe. So if you're waiting for your train, you can just go down to the shopping area and a lot of seating places, because upstairs you don't find that. And here it's very nice. It's so nice to wait here. a money changer here. Cash machine, ATM as well. So it's better to go downstairs and wait rather than wait upstairs. If you want to go to the restroom, you go straight ahead over there. Got your energy boost.
And sleep.
Energy booster. There, my love, Torino. Number 10. What carriage? 5. So the train is going to Torino, Turin. But of course, we're gonna get off in Milan. But it goes straight to Turin. Which one? To the left, to the right? Done. This one?
No.
Yeah, lacking information. So on the right side,
Not lacking, but it's not directly like.
yeah, it is lacking. So 11 on the right side, and on the 12th side where I am now is 10. So this is where we are, where we should be. I think we can just stay here.
5.
So we are on the carriage number 5. So we go just right below the number 5. So this is the number coach, not carriage. Coach number 4. So we are number 5. The business. We have that like that, right? Business. So number 5. The business is a little bit expensive. So if you want to get the cheaper ticket, you have to buy it in advance because the seat runs out quite fast. So here comes this is number 5. We have to give way because they're getting off. Coach number 5. I smell smoke, kind of good and smoky. A lot of people smoking here. Left to right. So this is seat number. So we're seat number 34 and 35. Oh, we're not sitting together. The difference when you get the premium business is that wider seats, really wide. Look, I can put my bag here and we still have a lot of space, really big leg room, very far. I couldn't even reach the end, look, because I don't have very short legs. I don't have long legs. And more spacious. And if you're traveling solo, you can be on the right side. On one side, you don't sit with anybody else. You're on your solo. So with the premium business, you can hang your jacket here. The smart one, the ordinary ticket, you don't get to do that. You have smaller space. It's really wide seats. Going to Milan. We're now in Milano Centrale, Milan Central Station. Here we have to buy ticket from Milan Centrale to Bergamo Centrale. Do machine?
What is it?
We have to find a machine because that's with people. They always give you the most expensive option. We will find a lot. That's last minute deal. When you get last minute deal, usually you pay expensive. We have a lot of machines. We have a lot of machines here, for sure. We're gonna buy a ticket to Bergamo station, not airport, just to Bergamo. There are 3 stations in Bergamo and we're not sure which one to buy.
Regionale 2276 per Milano Porta Garibaldi, delle ore 16.